welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Ghost by Justin Bieber. I've left all my other Justin Bieber tutorials linked down below, so go and check those out, as well as the full chords and lyrics for this song. I'll attempt to sing each section just to help as a reference point, but it's fairly repetitive, this one. So this one's in the key of D major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D major. And here is middle C as a reference point. So if you look at that pitch on your keyboard or piano, I'll teach the first bit hands separately actually. So right hand is orange and left hand is blue. So look at the intro first, and this also pops up towards the end of the song as well. So you have these individual like notes that are played on a synth. So the notes are on the screen. So we have D, F sharp, A, B, F sharp, A, and then two quick Ds. And the next bit goes A, sharp, E, two quick Ds. So let's do all that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then carrying on, so then we have two F sharps, D, G, F sharp, and then over to C sharp, and then we just have these three Bs. I'll just do that a little bit again. And then into the verse. So I'll just do all that right hand then. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand, we're going to play chords, and then we'll switch to playing the chords in the right hand when he starts singing. So the first chord is B minor, so it's B, D, and F sharp. And the next chord we need is G major, so that's G, B, and D. So we're going to play all these when we play them left hand with in roots position. And then we need D major, so it's D, F sharp and A, then move that shape downwards to A major, A, C sharp and E, and then you do all that again, so B minor, G major, D major, A major. So this is how it fits together. So we have D, F sharp, A, and then the B minor comes in with the B, and then the G major comes in with the A, then you play the D major by itself, and then you play F sharp with the A major. So do what I've done so far. Last little bit, you play the B minor by itself, and then F sharps, G major with the D, play the D major by itself, and then the A major with the C sharp, B, B, B. I'll just do that last bit again, so from the B minor by itself, so I'll just join all of that together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're into the verse. So as I said before, we're going to switch and play the full chord in the right hand, and then just play the root notes in the left hand. So we have B minor, but it's in the right hand you're going to play second inversion. So just a single B in the left hand, and then F sharp, B, and D in the right hand. And then you bring your thumb down to G, and change your left hand to G. This is G major, root position. And then we have D major, second inversion, so that's A, D, F sharp with D in the left hand. And then we have, it's really nice, it's A major with, you're adding the 4 in there, so it's A, C sharp and E, but you also play the 4, it gives a nice sparkle. So we'll do that again, and the counting goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You repeat it 3 times. Into the pre-chorus. I'll just demonstrate the verse now then. Just bear in mind that it's slightly too low for me, so I have to sing up an octave. Thinks it's always tomorrow. I miss your touch when nights when I'm hollow. I know you cross the bridge that I can follow. Since I've into the pre-chorus. So we have E minor, so E, G, B. In the left hand we're going to play E and B, so kind of moving up parallel like that. And then we have F sharp minor, so F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, and then slide up a semitone to G major. And it's quite quick, so it's. And then we play G again, and then a B minor with B and F sharp in the left hand, and then A major. So I'll do that again. 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it'd be into the chorus. Since the love that you left is all that I get, I want you to know that if I. And then the chorus, you repeat this 4 times. The first 2 times is with an acoustic guitar. So it's very similar to the verse. Very, very similar. So you've got the B minor, G, D major, and then A major without the 4 this time. You repeat that 4 times basically. Obviously it's a strummed guitar, so you could play around with the rhythm. Then if I can be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can. And then it kicks in with the rest of the instrumentation. So if you can stretch octaves in the left hand, start playing octaves. And if you can be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. And then it's straight into, kind of overlaps, and it's straight into the verse. So I'll just do all of that chorus again. That if I can be close to you, more next verse, there's no chords, so it's the young blood thinks there's always tomorrow, and it comes in with the D. So it's like you're playing young blood thinks there's always tomorrow, but those two chords aren't there. So young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I need more time, but time can't be borrowed. I'd leave it all behind if I could follow. Since the life that you lived is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Okay, so then we have the intro part again, but as like an instrumental. So when you're singing, I miss you more than life, comes in like that, and then carries on. And then we have the chorus one last time, but it's all the guitar, acoustic guitar. This is also the outro as well. So if I can't get close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I'll miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. And then it just ends on that A chord. Young blood thinks it's always tomorrow. I miss your touch at nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can't follow. Since the life that you lived is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. I need you now, but time can't be borrowed. I leave it all behind if I can't follow. Since the life that you lived is all that I get, I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost. that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.